Good afternoon friends, my name is Anand Kumar Sahu and in today's video I am going to explain you how to find the length between two polygons. So here this is my boundary feature class and this length is common between these two polygons and the length between these two polygons is this much. So I have calculated the length between the polygons with the help of one model builder. So here are all the length between the polygons. How I have calculated this length? This is my boundary feature class. This is the length I have calculated, intersect. So I am deleting this, I am removing it, and for that I will require two geoprocessing tool. So here is in my folder 8524 in Anand_tool folder and model builder and Anand model builder TBX. I am having one model as calculate length intersection. If I right click on it and open it, what I will get is input feature. It is asking me input feature and where you want to save your file. So this is very simple tool. How I have done is just edit it. See, here I have used two geoprocessing tool. One is your intersect, other is your delete identical. So if you run this, you will get result as the length of intersection between polygons. So how to create this simple tool? Just again go to model builder, new. You have to search for first intersect. This is intersect. Now again you have to search for delete identical. This is my delete identical. So now if you right click on this intersect, open it. Your input feature is your boundary feature class. This boundary feature class is your input. Now output feature class, by default it is taking as boundary and underscore intersect 1, and attribute to join all attribute. Output type, I want it as a line only. If you want as a point, it will produce you point, but here I want as a line, so I have made as a line. This is important, line. Okay, now the output of this tool, intersect tool, is your boundary identical intersect. Boundary intersect is your output. So the output of this will goes to delete identical. What it will do is it will delete your intersections, means after this you will get two shape lines, so it will delete one and it will retain one. If you right click it and if you open it, what you will get is input dataset, no need to disturb it. Fields, I want field as a shape length, so this is important, shape length. Okay, on the shape length it will do delete intersect, delete identical. If the shape lengths are same, it will calculate the same shape length and it will delete one. The output will goes to your output path. So I want this intersect as a create variable from variable input feature as my variable input feature. Right click and parameter, I am deleting this. Create variable from parameter. Output type I don't want, or if you want to change output type, here it will ask you line, point, same as input. So I don't want this thing because I have already assigned it as line. Same way, right click, open it, and these are the length. This should be fixed. So I want this as a parameter. So now this is my tool to get the intersection between polygons. Now what you have to do is you have to save it. Save. I have to save it in my TBX, which is in F drive. 8524 Anand tools model builder, Anand model builder TBX. Just I am saving it as intersection again. So this is the name of my model, intersection again. Okay, now go to this catalog, and I am going to my Anand tools. Anand, right click, refresh it. So the name of my tool is intersection again. So intersection again, this is my model. If you right click on it, open, it is asking you input feature is my boundary only, this boundary only. Output where I want to save, so I want to save it in my path, which is in F. 8524 Anand tools RR Hyderabad boundary. Here I want to save intersect. Intersect. Save it. Now yeah, you have to run it. Already exists, so make it as 100. Run it. Yes, it is showing. In 1 second it has done all the operation. Now again go to catalog. Now RR Hyderabad is in boundary. This is our intersection 100 feature class. So if I drag and drop it on this canvas, what I will get is, see, these are the intersections. So these are my intersections. Now if I want to display the length, then I have to label it. Label properties, to delete this, and just you scroll to save plan, double click, apply. Now you save the project. Now this is showing me the length between this point and this intersection point, and this is the length between this point and this point. So it is showing the length between this whole path. This is showing the length of this path from here to here. Same way it has calculated all the length, all the intersecting lengths. From this point to this point, the length is 6103 meter. Here the length from this point to this point is 5052 meters. The length of this point to this point is 370 meters, 370.73 meters. So this is very useful tool if you want to get the lengths. If you check its attribute table, what you will get is same, all the things. It has written all the things. If you want to change something, you have to change at the time of, here in tool you have to change at the time of creation of model. You have to assign, you want all attributes, so it has written all attributes. Here in intersection you open it. So here see attribute to join, only feature IDs, all attribute escaped feature IDs. So this is very simple tool which can calculate your lengths between the polygons. Now in my next video I will explain you how to use feature class to feature class tool with the help of iterator, and how to merge different geo database which is having different schemas, and one more, multiple arrays. In my coming videos I will explain you all about these tools. Hoping this video is very helpful for all of you, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much.